community policing is there. So visible policing. Visible policing means in every crowded places, either market, park, school, college, our men will be available all the times. Along this, our voiceovers are taking care of rounding our judicial round the clock. So 24 hours we are on the job. Whenever you get any problem, you just call 112 and men will be or our police will be at your doorstep within 5 to 7 minutes. That is the community policing and neighborhood trust watching neighborhood help. Whenever you go outside, if you inform somebody else to take care of your homes, so they will inform us in turn. Our night patrolman will visit that particular house to safeguard any theft at all. So here we won't expect such things because it's an apartment. You have a security and nobody will enter unless he breaks security. So that problem is not existing here. Next, crime prevention and citizen reporting. So it will explain later. Manemalike Police. It has been launched on 18th July 25 by our Honorable Home Minister Chief Administrator, along with our DJ and AGP Salim Sir and Commissioner of Police Srimant Kumar Singh. So how the programs was? So Begur Police Station has a 7.9 km of area. It has been divided into 6 bits. To better control, we have subdivided into 30 sub-bits. So all the sub-bits have been detailed and nominated with our police staff, either it is sub-inspector, ASI or head constable or PC. All 30 bits are geographically divided. It is based on cluster assignment. So it has been divided in a smaller part for better controlment of the, so the police can able to meet within this range instead of a vast area. Dedicated officer, each and every subject will be nominated, particularly all the men available in the station. Personal visit, all the police personnel will visit to concerned home. They will get data and also share their personal numbers. So whenever you want to, if you have any problems, you can directly contact the police who is visiting to your home, or you can contact for 112 for emergency help, or you contact 1930 for cyber frauds. Comprehensive services is basically for women's safety, child protection and senior care. Senior citizens care, covering 3 aspects. Community awareness and education. Why the Manemalike Police program has been launched? It's basically for emergency contacts, legal rights and education, drug prevention and road safety. These are awareness programs. Whenever we have sometimes we are visiting homes, we are visiting beaches, we are visiting lodges, we are visiting school and colleges to explain the menace of the drug awareness. We are encouraging to safeguard against cyber crimes. We are all covering and we explain the legal rights. What is the protection of the cyber frauds or any other crimes happening in the society. Your voice matters. So whenever you are coming to the station, our SH will be sitting in front of the station. They will ask whatever you are facing the problems, we will get it to the rating, we will act upon your complaint or your petitions. Crime prevention through partnerships. So what we have to explain. Monthly public contact meeting. So every second Saturday we are conducting a public meeting in our station's limits or in some other places. So all the publics are coming and gathering So whatever the cases they are facing in their society or in their area, they all are reporting to us. Either it is concerned to the police department or it is concerned to other department. If it is comes to police station, we will sort it out. If it is of other departments, we are getting all the details and writing a letter to the concerned department to sort out that problem. So many BBP and BESCOM's problems have been, we have noted and we have sent to the concerned department and action has been taken, the problems have been sorted out. Thus, we are helping to reach out to other departments also. Together, we built a safer Karnataka. So last time we came here, we have made some cyber awareness programs. So hope all are educated on cyber awareness programs. So it's in a small presentation. It's a mainly to tell all about the Manavaliya police. So it's a small. It's a new project which has been launched by our state government. So every police is visiting to our judicial area and visiting to every home. So here almost we have 1800 lakhs. So approximately 8 to 9,000 population are there. So we are not able to visit each and every flat because somebody are working in outside and we are not getting enough time. So we thought we can get together. So our men can share their views and whatever the problems you are facing, either it's your personal or with regards to your society or anything, you can share with us whatever the problems with regards to police department. We will here to sort it out. If any problems of other departments, we will directly send a letter to them to sort it out. So it's only a Manavaliya police. Rest is of cyber awareness programs. So cyber is a vast subject. So every day one or another is calling to the cyber frauds. So in my police stations, in the 2020 from January to 30 September, we have registered 66 cyber fraud cases. In the total amount cost is 2 crore 61 lakh 97,000, the lost amount. So in that almost 25%, 56 lakhs, we are able to recover from the cyber frauds. The remaining is an ongoing process, it will take its own time. So we have already said it's a golden hour. Whenever the cyber frauds happens, we have tell it's a golden hour within the 2 hours. Whenever a cyber fraud happens, within 2 hours, if you inform cyber portal or any nearest police station, chances are more to recover your lost amount. So if time passes, the getting up amount is also being reduced. So some cyber person part-time jobs getting some links and all in WhatsApp group. They are telling that even if sitting in home, basically for housewives and all, who are in home, to earn more money from a small investments. They will send a link. Initially, they will tell you to invest 2 to 3,000 rupees. Once you have invested, immediately 1 or 2 days, you will get 3,500. 500 rupees of profit within 1 or 2 days. So once you get greedy, you will invest more. So once you invest more, they will lock it. So you cannot able to withdraw it. So it's a part in cyber fraud. Like investment fraud is there, OLS fraud is there, many fraud is there. Last time I explained in detail all the frauds. Now I want to explain some advanced technology. We are all facing AI, artificial intelligence. Now it's trend, everything has been changed when it comes to artificial intelligence. It can create your image, it can create your phone, it can clone your voice. So you cannot image what it can be done. So everyone is using mobile phone and all. You all are having a Gemini app. Anybody has used Gemini app? If it is interconnected, internet is connected, you can show live. Can be connected to the internet. Anything, ChatGPT or Gemini, anything.
They are using, sir. That person is using
Gemini.
Out of this 2 crore or 2.6 crore fraud rate, what has happened? What are the common fraud rates which are there?
It has been broadly divided into 7 parts. One is business fraud, part-time job. Here it is 14 lakhs investment is there. Job fraud 30 lakhs. OLX frauds. OLX frauds means someone will post that I have a car of 5 lakhs rupees. I am moving from Bangalore to Delhi, so I am selling it in a very less price. Cost of my car is 5 lakhs. They are selling for 75,000 rupees. So everyone wants to purchase it. So they will tell you block it by giving some amount in advance. How much it will cost? 25,000 and 30,000 and all. Once you give 30,000 rupees, then you will say no, somebody has quoted for 1 lakh, 2 lakhs. Then you have to invest more. So whenever you get invest for more, they will not return the amount. This is called OLX frauds. Again, the investment fraud, part-time job, task review, and paying investment fraud, I told you paying. And fake customer care. Sometimes what you get this message that update your KYC, otherwise your bank account will be kept on hold or it will be freezed. So no bank will ask to send any OTPs. They will ask to come personally in the bank and sort it out. So cyber fraud, what will they do? They make a link and will send it to you along with the sentence. If you don't update your Aadhaar card, your bank account will be freezed. So what will do? You will share all your vital information in the sleeve. So once you share, they will use it at data. They will withdraw all your amount which is lying in your account.
Sir, very recently, one of my friends, he wanted to go to Sri Salem Dental, which is near Hyderabad. And there was a fake website which was there, and he bought some tickets of 10,000 rupees. Later he found out that entire website was fraud. And the customer service itself was fraud. So he kind of reported that issue in the police station and finally got his money back. But yeah, there are websites as well which are being fraudulent and also they have to be extra cautious.
In Google, there are 90% of fake websites are there. Only 10% is genuine. So whenever you get any money transaction, or any transaction of debit card, in that debit card only you have a toll-free number. Just use that toll-free number. If you check it in Google, it shows lot of numbers. It may be of cyber frauds.
So how to identify which is a fraudulent and which is a genuine one?
That's why I told you, if you use a debit card, in debit card backside they will give you one toll-free number. It is genuine. So if you have any bank number, you just directly contact the bank, ask the toll-free number. They will give. Whatever you check in the...
I am asking about the website. Even if it is HTTPS, it is supposed to be a secured URL. Then how to identify?
You are already mentioned the HTTPS. It is a secured web link. Somebody is browsing on HTTP. It's not secured. So S is not there. So it is unsecured. When you are clicking the any website, you have to understand it is a HTTP link or is it HTTPS. इसमें ओपन करते हैं. इसमें भी चैट जीपीटी ओपन करके इसका क्या है, आप एजुकेशन में किसी फील्ड में इफ यू आर इन एनी फील्ड यू कैन यूज इट। आपको कुछ भी डाटा चाहिए, आपका कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम आप बता सकते हैं कि इनमें से टाइप करके बता दो क्या कर सकते हैं। एनीबॉडी कैन आस्क एनी क्वेश्चंस रिगार्डिंग एनीथिंग।
Part of your services. They are simply grabbing our money. They are not doing anything.
Who?
They are water purifier services.
Water purifier
They are, I
service.
think you need a study about that.
What you want to what study you need?
Because all are they are simply cheating us. They are grabbing our money. They are offering it all. They are doing the service. We cannot do anything about that. How we know about all these things.
Water
They are
service.
simply making money and offering 2 years service.
Water purifier, you should have to contact the authorized dealer man. If you check in the Google, so many fraudsters are there.
How
So-
we know, how we can find out such a person?
That's why I am telling whatever you are seeing in the Google, 90% is our fake websites, our fake customer care numbers are there. You have to identify the original HTTPS, what I have told ना, HTTPS link से आप link करके उसी जैसे RO वाटर सिस्टम में aqua guard है, तो उसमें जाके क्लिक किया तो
रिकॉर्डिंग
aqua guard जैसे authorized लिंक है, उसमें से अगर चेक करते हैं तो उसका टोल फ्री नंबर मिलेगा। सो उसी टोल फ्री नंबर में आप कॉल किया तो ऑथराइज्ड रिप्रेजेंटेटिव आएगा जो सर्विस करेगा, वो निकल जाएगा। हम क्या करते हैं, उसका नंबर नहीं मिलेगा, गूगल में चेक करते हैं। गूगल में क्या करते हैं, वो सब सर्विस ओरिएंटेड रहते हैं। वो बंदे लोग आते हैं, वो बैटरी चेंज करना बोलेगा या फिल्टर चेंज करने के लिए बोलेगा, उसको तो 6 महीने के लिए चाहिए, अमाउंट चाहिए 500,000 तो यार आप कहीं पर पूरी करो। हमारा लिस्ट का है on what essentially was about this.
Let me tell you, sir, that all our residents, they have been eagerly waiting for your presence, and we are so thankful making your valuable time here and coming to all the way. So, warm welcome once again, sir, in our
Thank you.
facility apartment. And friends, as you all know that whosoever guest comes to our apartment, it's always a tradition for us to greet our guests, welcome our guests. So, I would request few of us senior citizens, I will be sitting at the young heart, I would say that I will be inviting them to on the stage so that we can greet. I would request CP Mike Uncle, if you can just speak, if you can come and greet our SP sir. I would request Mrs. Hemavati, please come and greet our CI sir, Mr. Krishna Kumar sir. I would request Mr. Siva Prasad, if you can please come. Please greet our Sub-Inspector Mr. Pradeep Kumar.
ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಹಾಂ ಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ
ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್
Request
ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆ ಸರ್, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬ್ರೀಫಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿ.
and greet our Sub-Inspector Mr. Varghese.
ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ.
I would request
ಆ ನೀರಿನ ಬಾಟ್ಲಿ
Ram Gopal ji,
ನೀರು ಬಾಟ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಬಾಟ್ಲಿ
media officer from Anti-Corruption Department, Mr. John Preet, you can come on the stage. Thank you so much. Whether it's your residents were waiting here for you, we have understood SC Master has done presentation on what all ASL activities is being done by our Bangalore Police Station under the leadership of SC Master. We are just going through that cyber awareness, all this presentation and all. So, collaborating and many of us might be for your few words to bring about.
ನೀವು ಮಾತಾಡಿ
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್
ChatGPT. See, ChatGPT, it is available in web or also available in your mobile phone. So if you want to use it for enhancing your knowledge, it will be very good. You can ask any questions, it will give answer specifically and instantly. You can type types of cyber fraud. So instantly it's giving what are the types of cyber fraud. So when you check it in Google, it will give exhausted number of answers. So when you go to the ChatGPT, it will give only a specific answer. What are the types of cyber fraud available in this are happening in the society? So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and all. Where to report cyber fraud in India.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಹಾಂ ನಮಸ್ತೆ
Along with the phone number and link.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಬ್ಬಿಗೋಡಿನ ಹಾಂ 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 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್
Phone number and link. With link. Number and link.
ಹೌದು 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 ಹೌದು
Enter.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಅವಳನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲ 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 ಅವಳನ್ನ ಲವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ ಶೀಸ್ ಅ ಡಿವೋರ್ಸಿ ನಾವು ಇವಳನ್ನ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಇದ್ದಂತೆ
So, a lot of
ಹೌದು
details. Cyber, any cyber frauds,
ಮದುವೆ
it should be reported to National Crime Reporting Portal or
Friend or
180
relative.
toll-free number.
ಸುರೇಶ್
Even you get the portal,
ಶ್ರೇಯಸ್
where link is there. You just click the link.
ಬಾ ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್
fill up your data,
ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕದ ಮನೆಯೇ
submit,
ಇವ್ರು
you
ಹಿಂಬಾಗ
will
ಮನೆ
get the acknowledgement.
ಒಂದೇ ಊರು ಗಟ್ಟಾಗಿ
Next, Gemini app.
ಹಾಂ ಹೌದು ಹೌದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಥೆಫ್ಟ್
So, in ChatGPT,
ಎಚ್ ಬಿ ಟಿ
just I have read only for cyber fraud only. If it
Are
is
you-
students, business person, anything,
ಹೌದು,
children,
ಹೌದು.
age person, whatever the problems, whatever you want to
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ
check,
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ
just
ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ
put
ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್
the
ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ
ChatGPT,
ಕೋರ್ಟಿಗೆ
type
ಬೇಲ್
your
ಇದಾಗಿದೆ ಅದು
words, it will show
ಇಲ್ಲ ಬೇಲ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅವನಿಗೆ
exact matching words.
Judicial
Your matching
process.
links and all you can get. Another one is Gemini. It's a
ಅಂದರೆ
from Google.
ಹೌದು ಹೌದು
They have launched it.
ವಾಟ್ ಇವನ್
Other than this,
ಗ್ರಾವಿಟಿ
so many
ಕೇಸಿನ
AI
ಗ್ರಾವಿಟಿ
apps
ಮೇಲೆ
are
ನಾವು
there
ಇದು
in the
ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
market. Some are of free and some are of paid version.
ಈಗ
You go to the paid
ಇಲ್ಲ
version,
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ
more
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ
data
ನೋಡಿ
will be available.
ಕಳ್ಳರು ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಹೋದರೆ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕೋರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಕೋರ್ಟಿಂದ ಬೇಲ್ ಆದರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್
Google Gemini.
ಶ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಓಕೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು
From here, if you want to generate any picture, you can able to generate it. Some VO application is there, and some more AI apps are there, where you can create 8 to 10 seconds videos. Here you can generate photo, image, or anything you can ask. Gemini will provide. It will be ready. Create a image of a policeman standing in front of
Create an image of
taking cybercrime training for residents.
Residents, we are also in SNN Cross Serenity. SNN Cross Serenity Bangalore. Yes, enter.
Yes. Yes.
I will throw it.
That is what he should try to do.
इसका बस बोल रहे हैं जेमिनी में लॉगिन करो ये सी fraction of seconds you are getting image created by Gemini.
Real policeman.
Real policeman.
We are able to see pictures or also. Plus more photos I am getting in. So what sir is trying to say, this is fake. This is fake, but how that AI will be seen?
It's a fake one, but AI will generate any image. आपका कोई फोटो है? आपका फोटो है?
मेरा?
हाँ। वो एग्जाम्पल सब दिखाऊंगा अगर आपका फोटो है तो ये डिफरेंट इमेज रहेगा अभी उसमें एक ऐड बटन हो सकता है
नहीं थैंक यू नेवर
न्यू चैट
बाद में लेंगे चाय पी हाँ चाय
न्यू चैट प्लस
थैंक यू
अपलोड फाइल्स ऑडियो मोबाइल में दिखाएगा इट इज मोबाइल it shows camera gallery files are right here we can make any image from that photo the active
Because the data speed is very slow here.
ये फोटो आ गया इसमें लिख सकता हूँ create an image of a man create an image of a man standing in front of luxurious beach. In front of luxurious beach. So whatever I am trying to say is it's all for educational purpose, not for any other illegal purpose. So within a second, it has been generated that a man is standing in front of some ship.
act
You go to the same image that the word is there. Go up, back. Edit the same on the word is there. Edit. Again, and create an image of a man standing in front of the luxurious bed along with a woman. See, it's happening. Why are you showing maybe some fraud is happening? So whatever you are seeing in WhatsApp or Instagram or Facebook, it's all not true.
Krishna sir, by the time that image is getting prepared, we have been also hearing not many news related to cyber arrest. Excuse me, can you have all attention here, please? So sir, we have been hearing a lot of news related to cyber arrest. People who are reacting as a police inspector, senior police inspector on mobile, and they are making people more confused and getting them into control. If they just throw lights on cyber arrest.
Cyber arrest is also called digital arrest. See, cyber fraud mainly happening specifically for two reasons. One for financial loss, another for tarnishing the image of the individual. So 90% or 99% of the cyber frauds are happening only for financial gain. So there are so many types of cyber fraud happening in everyday life. You can see last time I explained job frauds, investment frauds. Among them, one is digital arrest. In that, you get a call from an unknown person stating that your Aadhaar card has been used in smuggling some of the drugs to foreign countries. It has been withheld. Your data has been captured by the National Crime Bureau. So you will be arrested, you will be prosecuted. They will threaten initially. So you have to personally appear before the investigation officer at Bombay. So you are sitting in the Bangalore. You will be able to go to the Bombay. So they will give you two suggestions. Either you come to the Bombay or you can face online investigation. So the person, the victim will go for online investigation. So they will, once police will come, they will sit in front of the camera stating that I am DCP so-and-so from Crime Branch, Bombay. He is in uniform. So the person, victim is sitting in front of the camera, he will believe that he is also from the same branch. The victim is so intelligent, he will try to check it in Google. So he says, he said DCP, some Jaswant Singh, Mumbai Crime Branch. When he checks it, say, you got this. So he has uploaded my DCP sir's photo. He mentioned on prompt, create an image of board standing in front of the police station. So he never met my DCP sir, but in photo he is standing with my DCP sir. You can see what can be done by the artificial intelligence. You should be very careful whenever you get any messages, any voice, any video. You should check authenticity of the data which you are receiving. So come back to the digital arrest. So they will, so the victim will check in the Google if any DCP in Mumbai Crime Branch. So they will mention DCP Jaswant Singh is the Mumbai Crime Branch officer. Believing that the person who is calling is the genuine man, he will share all his details. He will share all his details. Then someone will connect, speak as a GST officer, someone will be as a RBI officer that he wants to check his transaction in the bank. So he will share all his bank details. Once you share all your bank details, he will check what are the amounts available in your account. So if it is 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, they will tell to transfer this account to our department account. So we will check for any money laundering issues are there in that account. If it is not, it will be returned. So believing that you will transfer all his savings, earnings from your account to the cyber fraudsters. Once you transfer, they will remove, they will close the account, and again we will come to the reporting of the cyber frauds. Then we will count again at what time you are reporting the crime to the station or 1830. Then investigation process on going on. So that's why I am telling, whatever you are getting call, messages, don't believe. Whatever the social media nowadays you are getting, it's all not proven. Any data you should verify, make an authenticate, then you share the data. Otherwise, simply if you get any link, if you are suspicious link, just delete it. If you get suspicious calls, just block it. Simply you can do some, instead of going to the police station, at your level you can avoid some cyber frauds. How you can going to avoid such cyber frauds? Don't open the links. Don't share your valuable or any bank information to third persons. And don't believe that everything you are getting in WhatsApp or Twitter, it's all not true. It's all bogus. Live example is in front of you. So, again come back to Manimaniga police. Our staff is here. My AS and PS are they are having some registers. So every flat number, they have to mention their name, their flat number and mobile number. They will write it in our register. It will be kept in our stations. So whenever you feel any problem, just dial 112. Our voiceover will reach within 5 to 7 minutes. If of any cyber frauds, report 1930 and nearest police station. Other than this, if you have any doubts, you can ask.
So how do we know like different mobile numbers are in my name? Because there is a site we can check. But in that, what I check is like all the numbers are not listed.
Not
I have 4 numbers.
Okay.
For my wife and for my son and all. But even though I checked on the site, like official site, they said like
Official site is a Sanchar Sathi.
Yes, yes.
Some web portal is there. If you log into the Sanchar Sathi portal, you have to mention any one of your number. OTP will be shared. Once you enter the OTP, it will show how many numbers has been issued to you. If it is used by you, just leave it. If it is not you, just check it. It's not me. Then that will be automatically deleted and it will be blocked.
yeah. But how do we know like it is in my Aadhaar card? It's all the numbers will be listed.
No, whatever the number connected with Aadhaar, that will be listed. If it is not listed, it's not in your name. So one more thing I want to introduce here. We have already, it's an old app, it's named KSP, Karnataka State Police App. I request everyone to open your Google Play Store and type KSP.
It will come
I
like
request all of you to open your mobile, open Google Play Store.
ಅದು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ.
Google Play Store, in that type KSP.
ಆ್ಯಪ್
KSP as Karnataka State Police App.
So you find this logo of Karnataka Police. Please download the app.
First one, Karnataka State Police. When you type KSP, it shows Karnataka State Police.
ಅಲ್ಲ, Google Play Store
Open it, Play Store. You register it, you will get one OTP, enter the OTP. Karnataka State Police App is there. You have to register with your mobile number. You will get an OTP, enter it, you will connect it. Once you have logged in, so many options are there. In one that e-loss is there. If somebody is lost any mobiles or certificates or
ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬೈ
anything,
ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಫಸ್ಟು ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜನ್ನು ಆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಅದು ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ರೆಡ್ ಇದು ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜು ಅಥವಾ ಕನ್ನಡ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕೋ ಅದು ಆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ
you can opt for the language.
There is
Left side of the screen is there. You can choose your language. And so many options are
this
there.
one. Just click it. There is a on the left side of the screen there is one red button. You can opt your language. It means Kannada or English. Hope all of you have downloaded the app. Have you downloaded? Got it downloaded? Yeah. Did you choose English? Did you choose the English language here? There is an option to change the language. Then it shows on the screen your nearest police station. It is Beguru, just 2.39 kilometers from here. It's just 2.39 kilometers away from this place. In an emergency, you can call if you want to call police station. Directly you can call. or otherwise, if you want to call other police stations, there is options. You have to choose the city, Bangalore city first, then you go to police station. You will get, and then if you come down, so many options are there. ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು.
In that mainly I want to tell, it's an e-loss report is there. If somebody loses their mobiles or any certificates or any electronic equipments, instead of going to the station, you sit in the home, just go to the e-loss, report all the things. Acknowledgement will be generated instantly. You will get an acknowledgement. Instead of visiting to the station, you can sit in the home.
So this is like an FIR.
Yeah, it is not an FIR, it is a report, e-loss report.
So it will be connected to our station. Further, the loss will be incurred at our end. And one more important button is there, red SOS. You can see right side of the app, SOS button is there. If you click the right button SOS, it will directly connect to our call center, police call center. It will be in video call. They will be monitored. Your location will be shared. If you feel any trouble, they will guide you what to do. They will direct the concerned or nearest police station to visit your spot. Very important button is there in KSP. Whoever going outside or women working outside, coming late or any time, if you feel any trouble, you can just click the SOS button. It will be connected to our police control room. That is too in video call. Your location will be shared with our nearest Hoysala or police station. They will visit to the spot immediately. It's very important one. Everyone has to download. Also, who are not here, either your children or somebody else, you should have to share this one. Second one is WhatsApp. In WhatsApp, everyone has to set two-factor authentication. Hope everyone has enabled it. If two-factor authentication is enabled in your WhatsApp, nobody can access your WhatsApp unless until you share it or the password is shared. This is the security of your WhatsApp. Everyone should enable two-factor authentication. And here Gemini. In Gemini or ChatGPT, whatever the photos, videos you are uploading, it will be kept for 30 days for using it or for betterment of the photo. So whenever you are using, delete the history. Delete the history and give an option, don't save it. Option is there, don't save it. It won't save. Otherwise if you give, it will save for 30 days. It will be used by someone else. So wherever you are using your photos in Gemini, option is there, off. It is turned on. So whatever the data you are sharing is saved in the Gemini app. So here it should be turned off. Turn on. Approve. Turn off. And delete all the activities. Okay. Clear? Delete activity. So whatever the activity you have done, it all will be deleted from the Gemini app.
गंगा में डुबकी डाले जैसे जी साकला ओके
ಇದು
ಲೋನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ
ಸೊ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಯಾರು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಇದು
ಸಚಿನ್ ಅವ್ರ
ಸಚಿನ್ ಬುಕ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಇದು ಮನೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ನೋಟ್ ಬುಕ್ now our ACP sir will speak some words about us. cyber frauds and
Cyber fraud.
cyber fraud has been completed.
Friends, all please attend here.
Thank you so much for gathering. Thank you. I personally thank the association members. ये दोबारा आ रहा हूँ मैं ये अपार्टमेंट SNN अपार्टमेंट में ये मौका देने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। हमारा मकसद है कि क्राइम फ्री सोसाइटी, पुलिस का मेन एम जो है क्राइम फ्री सोसाइटी, इसके वास्ते दिन रात हम काम करते हैं। सोसाइटी में शांति रहना, आप लोग चैन से सोना घर पे, और बाहर जाते वक्त भी सेफ्टी फील करना। कुछ चेन स्नैचिंग होता है या ईवटीजिंग होता है या और कुछ गड़बड़ होता है, रॉबरी होता है, ये सब कुछ भी नहीं होना चाहिए। और आजकल घर में बैठने से वक्त भी आपको क्रिमिनल्स छोड़ेगा नहीं। वो जो अभी तक जो बोले साइबर क्राइम्स, आप कहीं भी रहे आपको साइबर क्रिमिनल्स आपका पीछे पड़ेगा। इसके वास्ते आप लोग सतर्क रहना, एक्स्ट्रा कॉशियस रहना। कितना भी हमको भी फ़ोन कॉल्स आते रहते हैं ये साइबर क्राइम्स का, कभी कभी पुलिस वाले भी इसका शिकार बने हैं बन चुके हैं। इसके वास्ते एक्स्ट्रा कॉशियस रहना चाहिए। हमारा इंस्पेक्टर साहब ने सब कुछ बोल दिया है। आपका ही एक एक्सपर्ट थे इधर, लेकिन उन्होंने आज नहीं है। उन्होंने शायद ही वुड हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड यू better than us. Yeah, Mr. Santosh Tripathi, he has been to Rajasthan, I believe. I am told. Thank you so much. आपका ज़्यादा वक्त लेना नहीं चाहता हूँ, क्योंकि आप लोग अभी तक थक चुके हैं। आपका सर ज़्यादा नहीं कहना चाहता हूँ। आप इसके वास्ते और एक बार आपको शुक्रिया अदा करके मेरा 4 बात इधर ही ख़त्म करता हूँ। थैंक यू सो मच। और एक शायद ये मने के पुलिस हमारा एक नया प्रोग्राम है हमारा डिपार्टमेंट का। हमारा होम मिनिस्टर साहब ने इस साल ये कार्यक्रम, ये प्रोग्राम में आप प्लीज़ बैठिए मैडम। ये जो कार्यक्रम मने के पुलिस मतलब हर घर को जाके हम अवेयरनेस देना। पुलिस घर को जाके मतलब जैसा आपका अपार्टमेंट है, इधर तो एक घर को आके ये नहीं कर सकता, बल्कि आप लोगों को गैदर किए है इधर जो लेआउट में रहते हैं उसमें हर घर जाके हम ये मकसद क्या है, बल्कि इसमें इमरजेंसी नंबर्स ये जो अभी डाउनलोड किए हैं ना पुलिस का ऐप, उसमें भी इमरजेंसी नंबर्स आपको बोलना चाहता हूँ। देखिए इमरजेंसी कॉन्टैक्ट बोल के है एक ऑप्शन, इमरजेंसी कॉन्टैक्ट बोल के है इसमें ऑप्शन। आपको पुलिस बोले तो 112 को कॉल कर सकता है, 101 को फायर को कॉल कर सकता है, एम्बुलेंस को 108, वैसे ही चाइल्ड हेल्पलाइन को 1098, विमेन हेल्पलाइन को 1091, सीनियर सिटीजन्स का हेल्पलाइन 1090, इलेक्शन कमीशन का 1950, नेशनल हाईवेज हेल्पलाइन 10। आप ट्रैवल कर रहा है कहीं, कुछ इमरजेंसी कॉन्टैक्ट करना है तब 1033 को कॉल कर सकता है। रेलवे सिक्योरिटी हेल्पलाइन को 1322, लोकायुक्त साइबर क्राइम को मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट 1930। ऐसा ये बहुत यूज़फुल है। आप प्लीज़ डाउनलोड करिए। हर एक आदमी हर एक प्लीज़ डाउनलोड कीजिए। आपको कभी भी हेल्प आ सकता है, कभी इमरजेंसी में है, ये SOS बटन दबाए तो आपको पुलिस आ जाएगी, हमारा कांटेक्ट हमारा 112 को जाएगा आपका कॉल। आपको कुछ भी आपको जो भी फेस कर रहा है, प्रॉब्लम फेस कर रहा है, आप बोल सकते हैं। पुलिस वाले तुरंत 10 से 12 मिनट के अंदर आप तक पहुंच जाएगा। और मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट सर्वेंट के बारे में थोड़ा जानकारी आप सतर्क रहिए, कितना भी अच्छे रहिए, उन्होंने अच्छे रहने दो, लेकिन आपका जागृति में आप, क्योंकि हर रोज बहुत सारे कंप्लेंट्स आते रहते हैं हमारे एरिया में सर्वेंट जब का। प्लीज़ आपका जो भी वैल्यूबल्स रहता है या बैंक में सेफ लॉकर में रखिए, नहीं तो घर पे ही सेफ प्लेस में रखिए। किसी को भी किसी के सामने वो डिस्प्ले करना, दिखाना, वो कुछ भी मत कीजिए प्लीज़। आपका जो वैल्यूबल्स रहता है उसके बारे में प्लीज़ बी केयरफुल। थैंक यू।
Sir, we understand, sir, you have a limited time, but there are two more requests what our people just wanted to put in front of you. We understand the entire system was there on cyber crime awareness, and we are so thankful the kind of insights what we got. Sir, two common observation what our residents have been facing here is one about the stray dog in our apartment. So there have been several complaints. Residents have put, few of the residents have been badly affected also, or injury also. So stray dog is one very very chasing. These 4 dogs are there in our apartment. So on behalf of the apartment, I will issue a review with a request here if something can be worked out around with the coordination of PDMP. Because we all know the kind of guidelines, some kind of guidelines is there. There are certain guidelines what we have to also follow, but there are some serious concerns what they have. One very serious concern happened along with the pet owners also. One of the pet this thing happened yesterday. Family is also here, so I will request them also to meet one-to-one, not here in the forum. But one is a bit, this stray dog is one common complaint what we have been facing. There are 4 dogs living in our apartment and they are finding helpless. Second one more common complaint what we as a resident are facing here is the moment we come out from our SNM apartment boundary, so there is a lot of encroachment has happened by the local vendors or hawkers, and they have certain lobbies what we as an individual or association we are not able to make them out. They would be seeking your guidance and support also that we can put some certain things so that encroachment area can be made clear. So these are two things. We can sure any other option we can. It has to be another no specific to individual specific.
Auri kudi.
Specific will have one that will take and then
After this forum, you can talk inside.
so I have just highlighted 2 common complaints and sir there
आपका दूसरा प्रॉब्लम को जो सेकंड बोले वो प्रॉब्लम को एक आपका एसोसिएशन की तरफ से भीमाऊ ट्रैफिक पुलिस स्टेशन को एक लेटर लिखिए और डीडीएमपी को भी एक लेटर लिखिए, प्लीज राइट टू देम, एंड व्हेनेवर दे आस्क अस वी विल प्रोवाइड द सिविल पुलिस फॉर देयर प्रोटेक्शन, ओके, टू क्लियर द एनक्रोचमेंट. एंड फर्स्ट इज अ कॉमन प्रॉब्लम ऑल ओवर द सिटी. State of people are there here. We get lot of phone calls each and every day. It's a two-way problem.
Yes, absolutely. We agree.
Yeah. इसके वजह से आप वेटरनरी डिपार्टमेंट को कांटेक्ट करना. जब भी वो लोग बोलते हैं प्रोटेक्शन, we are with them. आप प्लीज DVMP veterinary department. Please ask them to get rid of this problem.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
So we have one specific problem. So we have a problem with one person who is staying in the society itself. We have already made one complaint about the same thing, and we are not getting the resolution till now. So I would request to please hear it out, and the CC members are also aware of this problem. So and it's been like 6-7
There is one
months.
guy who has been able to chase movements and is more and the residents are affected.
Complaint
Another person is there. So for the proper that is also
complaint करिए. Unsound.
Was smart enough to take a screenshot, but after few minutes it got deleted. And checking through the Truecaller, we found some Subramaniam Atte karke number. But and immediately he asked from Germany what to do of this kind of threat. Emily suggested block this number and report to police. Immediately he blocked this number, and by that time that message went off. But he could make a screenshot, so we have the evidence. And then he tried to reach 1930, which was saying representatives are busy. So we cannot proceed further. Please take this. This is a small boy. He is smart enough, and this kind of young that he should not be suffered.
1945 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ
National Cybercrime Report. Death threat to a small child who is not even teen yet.
You can visit the National Cybercrime Reporting Portal. You can upload your documents and you will come to our police station.
Because phone number captured.
The 1930 number is everyone is using. Sometimes busy. You have to not reach the number. You can visit the NCRP portal. It will also you can.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Sir, one more request.
Yeah.
We have been asking for a signal at the front of our premises, or otherwise the police work at least in the peak hours. Please. It's a permanent problem because so many accidents are taking place. We have been repeatedly asking for it.
We will write to traffic police station. Yeah. Okay, ma'am.
I have told our MP and women also are very asking for it. There's no that signal post was not available. Please try to arrange it because repeatedly accidents are taking place.
Yes.
It's a most immediate requirement of us.
Okay.
Please.
Thank you all for your valuable time. Sir, we will take just one question, please.
Last.
All the officials, I thank very much. But the thing is, this is from the senior citizens. I am the victim, so everything is fine. But knowingly, unknowingly, we know everything. But everything we know, but the fraud has happened. With the consent of me, why the fellow, the fraud fellow, has made hypnotism and he has totally fraud and he has made me to make a fraud. For that one I had done all the things, but after that I am not able to get any of this getting the information. But it is how to come out of this. Everything is fine. We got golden hour, all those things is fine. But if by the senior citizens, you know, if something mistake has happened, it is from our side. But all the officials, bank officials, all these things, they are very easy. Everything is done by OTP has come, all fraud is done by you, UPI connection, everything is done. But is there anything is there? So the if everything is happened by me, is there any other solution?
He is the victim or the...
Sir, uncle just correct me. Uncle just correct me. What you told, I will try to make sir understand. Sir, somebody has just what he told, he hypnotized him and made him to do something.
He has
some
used
fraud.
him.
They used him to
commit some fraud.
And now his name is there. So he just wants how to come out of this guy. Some miscreant, this has happened and they have made me to do it. How to come out
Do you
of
know?
that?
Do you know him personally?
No, we don't know, sir. There are people who are so. It is total based on the North India. That's what I got information from on the department. I have registered the case.
Where did you register?
Where has it happened, uncle? Where has it happened and where? Bangalore.
Do you lost any money? Cyber fraud.
It's a cyber fraud.
You read something?
Cyber fraud.
Actually, he should have reported in a golden period.
Yes.
Golden hour.
Uncle, see,
Since he did not
one more thing what sir is telling. The moment it happens, see, time for the cyber crime, time is a gold. Because the moment it happens, immediately if you do, they can go. time lapses, it is very difficult to even get a screen where from where what has happened, it is very tough to get it. Because it will be deleted, everything will be wiped off. So the moment it happens, immediately without any fear, you must go there. You may would have lost whatever money or whatever thing has happened, but immediately you have to come. Then only they will be able to help you.
One of your residents, I don't know the name, she got some lost some amount in cyber fraud. So we have freezed the account. We have informed the applicant that we should have to approach the court, get the release order. So it is got delayed, and the court order we have received, it is after the decision of almost 10 to 12 days. We got the court order. We have sent to the concerned bank to return the amount. So in that 12 days, somebody else who was lost, who was prone to cyber fraud, has been released that amount from that account. So that's why we are advising all to inform immediately, or if the amount is freezed in the account, you should take the action and you should approach the court to get the orders from the honorable court. Once you get the order from the court, you will send the consent time within the shortest time. Otherwise, the amount will be sent to someone else.
I think as a resident, we also need to understand that one thing like also work with the cyber or mobile device management things. Nothing is free. We need to understand if somebody is sending you a link that 10 rupees is free, 1 rupee is free, it's all fraud. They will be sending up messages like the link, photos, BlackBerry and all. Just block it. Don't respond. Any free thing, any benefit, don't respond. Just block. Especially for season, my father lost 1.5 lakh rupees. Just he was trying to do some courier tracking. He sent me a link of TeamViewer. He downloaded TeamViewer. His screen is getting shared by the fraudster, and all OTPs are gone. Then immediately I blocked his account. But this happened to everybody. Nobody is safe.
One more thing, Pandey, since we are only asking, I would like to ask sir that we in this vicinity of 7 kilometers which you have, this is one of the largest society. You tell us that you in a specific solution or help you want from our side also, where we can also act on behalf of it. You also let us know. It is not only we will ask. You can also ask us that what is that other areas where you want our help to be a good citizen to help you be a crime. Please let us know that also.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks for this.
So now we call it a day because sir has some other commitments. Sir, on behalf of the entire residents, thank you so much for coming.
हमारे स्टाफ इधर है, अभी उन्होंने A ब्लॉक, B ब्लॉक में कुछ नोट किया है। जो भी इधर प्रेजेंट है, जो डाटा लगेगा, वो प्लीज उनका साथ में रजिस्टर में एंटर कर दो जितने भी आए हैं। Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Vivekanand Pandey and I'm the President for SNN Ra Serenity, and along with me my friend Mr. Suresh Chaudhary. He is our Vice President for this newly elected management committee. On behalf of entire SNN Ra Serenity Apartment, we are so thankful to our Begur Police Station, Krishna Kumar sir and his entire leadership for Begur Station, and more importantly our ACP Satish sir. Those who have been kind enough to come here and spend their valuable time along with us. The insights what they have given on cyber crime awareness and the inputs what they have given, the app what they suggested us to download was really insightful, and we are so thankful to all our police department, including our Satish sir, Krishna Kumar sir, Mahesh sir, everybody for giving their lot of insights on cyber related awareness. At the same time, we also are so thankful that they could hear our other common problems what we have highlighted over and above the cyber challenges what we have been facing. The session was there for almost 2 hours, and all our residents were actively participating, and they were kind enough to pay attention and to hear all our problems. We look forward, whatever point they have noted down, they are going to look after and they are going to give a proper solution to it. Thank you so much, and we are so thankful to our media person also who have come here and spent their time. Thank you.